In the video for today, I'm going to show you 3 genuine methods to track a lost or stolen laptop in 2026. If you're watching my video for today, I'm sure your laptop was lost or stolen. I'm very sorry about that. But these 3 methods that I'm going to show you may just help you track your laptop and get it back. The first method is super simple and easy. All you have to do is just get hold of another PC. So on the PC, just do a search for Find My Device and get to the application for that PC. So once you're here, you're going to see your website URL. Just click on this link and it is going to take you to the browser to track your device online. Just log into your account. And after you do that, you're going to be directed to this page. Just click on Find My Device. You're going to be directed to the page out here, which is on Maps. You could select the device. Maybe you have 2 or 3 laptops. You could select the one you're trying to track and then just scroll down a bit and click on the pin out here. Once you do that, you're going to see it on Maps. If you recognize the area, you could just get to the place here and you could try and get your laptop back if it is available. Apart from that, you could also try tracking your laptop using third-party anti-theft softwares. Now, these days, when you buy a laptop or a PC, you may just get an anti-theft software to maybe do data backup or set up your PC to ensure that when your laptop is lost or stolen, you could actually track it back. Now, the drawback about most of these applications is that you need to have the applications installed on the PC before it gets lost or stolen. So if by chance you had a third-party software installed on your PC, like for instance Pray, you could maybe track your laptop back. So after your laptop is stolen, you could just get onto prayproject.com and then log into your account and try and see if you could track your laptop on Maps. Now, apart from that, you could also try tracking a laptop using an IP with service logins. I mean, when a thief would steal a laptop, I'm sure they would not just be interested in the hardware of the laptop. They are going to be more interested in the data that the laptop has. Right? So what they may just do is try and log into your Google account or maybe your email account to see what data you have out there. So when they log in, you could actually see the IP. So how to get the IP is very simple. Just get hold of a laptop or get hold of an Android device and log into the same email address that was on your lost or stolen laptop. Just open the Chrome browser or Firefox or whatever it is and log into your email account. Say supposing you have a Gmail account. Okay, log into your Gmail account and this is going to be your inbox. Just click on settings, click on see all settings. So once you're here in settings, just scroll right down and you could see the last account activity. Click on details and you get a pop-up like this. And here you're going to see the IP address. You could just copy this IP address. You could give this information to the cops and then you could see if they can help you track your laptop. Now, apart from these 3 methods, what you could also do is, as a bonus, I would suggest you keep an eye on online marketplaces like eBay or Facebook Marketplace or OLX or local pawn shops. You could keep an eye and see if you could find your laptop out there in these type of places. You never know. I mean, a thief would just go ahead and just format your laptop and try to sell it off just for a little money. So I hope any one of these methods would help you track your laptop and you get it back. If you have any further questions, I'm always available. Just send me an email. Give my video a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.